But the floor is hot.
Oh, the floor is hot.
Yeah,
Oh,
very
so
hot.
good. Is
Like
it
you.
is it way? Oh, like me, I'm hot. Oh,
Yes, you're
thank you
hot.
very much.
You're welcome.
Mulu. Nah, gini nih, Sophia Lachuba nih. You look like Sophia Lachuba. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are beautiful. How old are you?
18.
18. Wah, good. What's your name?
Martyna.
Martina. Whoa, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is your Instagram? Hmm? Oh, Wojciechowska. How to pronounce it? Wojciechowska. Waduh, susah banget. Kakashi.
Yo, nigga, what's
Wah,
up?
wah, kurva. Pierdolsie.
Kurwa ty! A ty kurwa
Pierdolsie.
Stary ci rób.
Kurwa. You are fucking kurwa.
Jest pierdolonym wykusem
Pierdolsie.
rozjebanym, kurwa, stary cię
You
tak
are
szmoci w dupę, że nie
fucking
wiem, ci kurwa
kurwa.
łechtaczko odpada, nie?
Seekor kera
Kurwa, jesteś
terkurung
taki
terpenjara dalam gua di gunung tinggi sunyi
pierdolony,
tempat hukuman para dewa di dunia sesuka hati loncat ke sana ke sini, hilangkan semua beban dari muka bumi ini dengan selai bulu dan rambut dari tubuhnya dia berbuat mana jalan apa yang ada walau halangan sinar tapi yang luar bawah mentang terjadi. Oh, makan tuh somai. Lu mau gue nge-rap lo sama gue? Iya, gue nih alumni Kerasakti. Ya ada yang jelas bro. Sebelum ada yang jelas tuh.
Hi.
Tuh. Are you a couple?
What?
Are you a couple? Is that
No.
your boyfriend?
No.
Yes.
No. We are
What?
friends.
Really? Friend zone, friend zone.
Yes.
Are you getting friend zone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Waduh. What are you doing?
How are you?
Huh? Are you
How are
YouTube? I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good.
Good.
And you?
Very good. Perfect.
Yeah, very good, best friend. Udah jadian aja ente. Couple aja, couple.
Nie, couple.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think yes.
Iya, ente kesian. The boy is kesian. Apa sih bahasa Inggris sih? Ya gitulah pokoknya. Are you YouTuber?
Yes.
Yes.
We have a stream now.
Oh, you are streaming at YouTube.
Yeah. Yes.
Apaan? What did you stream? Game?
Game. LOL.
Game.
Yeah.
What game?
League of Legends.
Mobile Legend. Huh?
League of Legends. You
League?
know?
Oh, LOL.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, LOL. What is your channel?
Platyna in Polish, but I don't know how I
In English.
in English say that.
Latina.
Platyna.
Can you write it in the chat box?
Yes, okay.
Oh,
Poczekaj, prześlę.
you are YouTuber. Good. How many subscriber do you have?
Jak to się mówi po angielsku?
1000.
100 tysięcy. 100 tysięcy.
100 tysięcy,
100,000.
Oh, 100,000. It's a big number.
Yes.
Yes.
So you are so popular.
So sorry.
Good. Nice. You can speak English good because many Poland cannot speak English.
I speak a little bit English, but I try to speak.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
good. What?
Come on, continue.
Yeah, what? You can write your channel.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Fajna dziewczyna.
good YouTuber. I am from Indonesia.
Weź tą platyna. I have an answer. We are writing you our achievement in LOL or our YouTube channel.
Your YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wpisz wersję.
Nie, girl.
Wow. Good ente. Do you have boyfriend? The girl?
I?
Yeah.
No,
No.
I don't have, and he
He.
doesn't.
But he is just your friend.
Only friend.
Only friend. Oh gitu. Oke. Good. Mana tulis
I
tuh?
can write you her Instagram.
Yeah. What is her Instagram?
Okay, I write.
Iya. Oke, ditaruh di situ.
Ciao, you are cheater.
Hah? You are cheater. Kata gue main PB kali pakai cheat. Halo, boy. Main PB juga kagak.
Hello.
Hello, can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Wow,
What
good.
about you?
Good. Where are you from?
Poland.
Oh, Poland. In Warsaw,
And where are you
Warsaw.
from? Warszawa?
Yeah. Are you from Warsaw?
No, we are from Krakow.
Krakow. Oh, good.
Krakow.
Krakow. Krakow.
Yes.
Okay, Krakow. I am from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know Indonesia?
Yes, we know.
Yeah, the flag is red and white.
What?
The flag, my flag is red and white.
Yes, it's the
Yeah.
same flag, but it's upside down.
Yeah, upside down.
Yes, I know.
Tuker, yeah.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica,
And you?
and her name is Christina.
Christina. Oh, Jessica and Christina.
Yes.
Good.
Exactly.
How
And
old
what's your
are
name?
How old are you?
What are you?
How old
How old?
are you?
I'm sorry, I don't hear you well.
What?
How old do you think I am?
Yeah. How old are you? I think you are 16.
16. Oh, you're right.
Right. Oh, so you are
Yes. And what is your name? What is your name and your age?
my name is Kamaruk.
Kamaru. Okay.
Yes.
And your age?
I am 20 years old.
20. Okay, it's good.
I'm 20 years old. What are you eating?
Eating jellies.
Jellies.
Very
Oh,
good jellies.
Ah.
Jellies with vodka.
what? Vodka. You drink vodka?
Oh my god. Vodka jellies. Yes.
Oh, vodka
Very
jellies.
tasty.
Is it from
Yes.
vodka? Really vodka?
Yes, really vodka.
Oh,
Very
vodka.
tasty.
Yeah, good. Yeah. What?
Polish snack.
Polish snack. Yeah,
Yes.
Polish snack. Itu snacknya Polandia. What is? What time is it in your country?
What?
Time. What time
Time.
is it in your country? Panjang-panjangin aja biar
It's
makin
4 p.m.
lama. 4 p.m. tuh kan bener? Yeah, afternoon, yes.
Afternoon, yes.
Oh, okay.
And what about you?
In
Your
here,
time?
it is 10 p.m.
Okay.
It's nearly midnight. Yeah, because I am from Asia.
Okay.
Yeah, I am from Asia.
Going. You are a very nice guy.
Oh,
I gotta go now.
yeah, you are
Bye.
friendly too.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day too. Yeah. Ciao.
Ciao.
Woi, can you speak English?
A little.
A little. Okay, no problem. No problem. What's your name?
Sylvia and Claudia. And you?
Cynthia and
Sylvia and
Sylvia.
Claudia.
Claudia. Yeah, good.
And you?
My name is Anang Ma'ruf.
Ananaro.
Anang. Anang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
How old are you?
17.
17. You both 17.
Yes. And
Oh.
you?
I am 20.
Oh.
20 years old. Yeah. Are you from Poland? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Why? Unfortunately. Fortunately. Oh,
Because this country is bad.
what? Your country what? Not good.
Bad.
Bad. Bad. What?
Bad.
Why? Why your country bad?
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
I will wait. Okay, I will listen to you.
People is not not yeah no unfriendly and
Yeah.
yes
Not friendly. You say the
Unfriendly.
people is not friendly.
yes
Yeah, I think so. Because because many Poland girl just say harsh word like kurwa and yeah,
no,
and some just like that kurwa and other harsh word like fuck you. I don't know why. Is it because they are not speaking in English or
probably
oh gitu ya. Do you have boyfriend?
no
Really?
we are single
Single?
yes and you have
No.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, I have no girlfriend too. I am single. Yeah. Do you have Instagram?
no
No. Really?
wait
Wait. Yeah.
we don't use Instagram
You don't use Instagram? Do you play TikTok?
no
No. You don't play TikTok? Huh? The other one play?
no
Dancing.
Singapore. Hi.
Halo, you look like Agnes Monica. You beautiful.
Yes.
Kayak Agnes Monica mungkin teh. Why are you rolling on the floor?
Are you really crying on the floor?
Are you sleepy?
Yes, she is sleeping. Really.
Oh, she is sleepy. So go to sleep, go to bed, not on the floor.
Bed.
You then you enter wind. You get cold.
But the floor is hot.
Oh, the floor is hot.
Yeah.
Oh,
very
so
hot.
good.
Like you.
Is it way? Oh, like me, I'm hot. Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Is it winter over there? Yeah, winter yeah. You rolling on the floor. What's your name?
Who's?
You. Yeah.
Carolina.
Carolina. Oh, okay. How old are you?
16.
Really? 16? With that? Okay, you good. Yeah.
What did you think? How old I am?
Hey, I thought that you are 20.
20?
Yeah. So you are high school student?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You are school student. Lektok apa? Tanya gue. Gue nggak ditanya apa? Astagfirullah. Biar kita pembicaraan hidup gitu. So what her name? Someone.
What?
Her name. Someone who rolling on the floor. What's her name?
Name?
Yeah. What her name?
Gabriela.
Gabriela. Wow. Carolina and Gabriela. Good name. Good. So is he your classmate?
Polish? Can you speak Polish?
No. Nie mówię po polsku. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice.
All I know is because many Poland people say kurwa like that.
Kurwa.
Yeah. Yeah. Why more Poland people say that to me?
Because they are stupid.
Oh, because they are stupid. So you are very smart.
Not me. They
Yeah,
are.
you are. Yeah, you are very smart. I say because you don't say that. You are friendly. Yeah, I like you. You are friendly. Magal.
Thanks.
You are very beautiful and friendly. So you have a boyfriend? Oh, you have a boyfriend. Good then. Wah, good. You have.
Wow.
Wah is great in Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia.
Nice.
Ya, mati. Ya, mati, bos. Why
What?
black out?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I think
I'm
that.
here.
Yeah. I thought that was disconnected. But
No.
Oh
I will
no.
never.
Okay. Are you go to school or lockdown because of COVID-19?
Lockdown. Because it's coronavirus now.
Yeah,
and
coronavirus. Oh, okay. So you're not go to school. You school online. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, online class. Weh, TikTok dong. Capek gue nanya mulu kayak wartawan, kayak Aiman Wicaksono gue. You good.